Hello everybody. In our earlier video, we saw how to schedule a meeting. Now let's have a look at some of the features available in a meeting. Let's go in for an instantaneous meeting so that we can see all the features. Okay, so at the base we have this floating panel or toolbar. We can switch off the video by clicking here. We can control our mic, switch it off or on. Now here I can share a presentation or share the screen. I've got a PowerPoint presentation such as this one. So I can present to the participants the presentation. Once I'm done with the presentation, I can stop the screen share. Since I'm alone in this meeting now, it's showing me how I can copy the meeting link, which I can invite by email or copy it and share using, say, WhatsApp or even email. These three dots allow me further actions such as showing device settings. So here, audio, speaker, microphone, camera options can be adjusted. In case we want to take notes during the meeting, we can use this feature. We can enter full screen or exit it. We can have a virtual background if we so wish. So we can have different kinds of backgrounds applied. And we can stop our video. We can turn on live captions. So in case there is some network problem and people are not able to hear clearly what we are saying, it would be easy for them to perceive what we are saying by looking at these captions. And we can turn them off. At the end of a meeting, we can use this option of end the meeting. Participants can raise their hands to ask questions and lower it once their questions are answered or the speaker has taken note of their questions. We can use the chat box to send messages. Here we have additional options of using smart art, or we can attach files, we can use emojis, we can use GIFs, etc. So this is how we send the different messages. We can see the participants, and so only one participant at the moment. We can invite people by sharing the link as mentioned earlier. So that's it. Thank you for viewing this presentation. Now I shall stop the meeting. And it'll ask us for a review. So thank you.